Thanksgiving is truly my favorite holiday, mostly because it's centered around eating with family and friends.
Me too. And it's also the ultimate holiday to celebrate all this incredible bounty that we have here in the Finger Lakes.
Today, we're sharing our top 5 tips for a stress-free Thanksgiving.
Let's start at the beginning. Make a plan. Stick with a menu that's simple, tried, and true, using recipes that you know. If you want to be adventurous, just pick one dish to try. So what's a simple menu look like? Turkey, of course, or a vegetarian entree.
Mashed local root vegetables.
Gravy and cranberry sauce.
Winter squash.
Stuffing.
And greens or salad.
Perfect.
Next tip, shop in advance. Don't wait till the last minute. Get your shopping done at least a week ahead of time, and a Thanksgiving share box from Early Morning Farm will save a lot of time on produce shopping. All you'll need to pick up from the store are extra basics.
Tip number 3, make a schedule. So in addition to shopping a week in advance, you can also prepare most of your feasts the day before, and then you're not frantic the day of Thanksgiving. Click right here to download our free Thanksgiving planner, and that includes a sample menu, shopping list, and suggested recipes.
Next tip, have a backup plan. A flavorful vegetarian stock will work in most side dishes, and you can be prepared for gluten-free guests with gluten-free flour, which is a great gravy thickener. Make a cornbread stuffing and everyone can eat it.
Good idea. 5, delegate. Your friends and family want to help, but the kitchen can get really crowded. So start by asking them to bring a dessert, potluck style, and ask them to also help set up your cheese and charcuterie plate, just so you have something to nibble on before you eat.
If you're in the Ithaca area, you can just stop by the piggery and you'll be able to get everything for your starters. Charcuterie, local cheese, and a beverage to pair it with. A friend can easily set that up while you're finishing the meal.
I love the piggery.
Well, I think once we finish this planner up, we're ready for Thanksgiving. I can't wait.
I can't wait either. Stay tuned. We'll be sharing recipes.